Hey guys, welcome back. So I think my screen is visible. So last video I have showed you like how you can install Django, and you can see like I have installed Django in my local system. So if I'll give pip list, this time you can see like Django is already installed, and this is the latest version which is installed. This is not actually the latest version, it somehow installed the previous version. Okay, so which is absolutely fine because that will work, I guess. We can go to download and we can see like, okay, this is the specified new release. But anyway, for Python 3.9, Django is compatible with this version 4.2.19, which is absolutely fine. I'm not installing the latest version anyway. So now what I'll do is I'll go to my Visual Studio Code and I'll simply open the folder. Okay, open folder, and I'll open my projects folder, and then my student manager system. Okay, this folder I'll open. Okay, this folder I have opened. Now I need to create the Django project over there. Okay, the name of the Django project will be student management system, and I'll give project. Let's create that Django admin start project student system project. Okay, so this is my command is okay. I'll just simply copy this command and I'll execute this. So this is created. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code, and you can see like this is already created, which is my project folder. So if I'll expand that, you can see like it has this project folder, and inside that we have these files and we have manage.py. All right, I'll do one thing. I'll close the folder. I'll open the folder again. I'll select my Python projects, student management system. Inside that this folder I have, I'll open this folder. So this will be easy to understand. You can see like this is the parent folder. Inside that we have manage.py and student management system project. This project we have created. Now we'll create an application folder. As I told you in the previous video, let me show you the project folder. Okay, so I will take some reference from my previous project, which is my Python projects. And if I'll open my Qn application, you can see like this is the project folder. Inside that we have this Qn application folder, and we have this many files. So these files I'll create later, but let's create the application folder. Okay, so to create that, let me note down the command is the third command is this one, Django-admin start project and student management system project. Okay, now I'm inside this. I'll give the dir and I can see like student management system project. I'll do one thing. I'll go back. I'll go to student management system slash student management system. Okay, I'll give dir and I can see like I have this many things. So I'll go to this student management system, cd student management system, and if I'll give dir, I can see student management system I have. I'll go to student management system project. Okay, so I am inside my project directory. Okay, if I'll give dir, I can see like I have manage.py and student management project.py. Okay, so inside this I have to create my inside the parent directory I have to create my application folder. Okay, so to create the application I have to execute Django admin start app student mgmt app. Django admin start app student management app, sorry, mgmt app. Django admin startup student management app. Okay, this is the command to create the application. So okay, so I think some spelling mistake is there. start app student management app. Okay, so I think it is already executed. Okay, I'll simply copy this command and I'll paste in the notepad because I'm going to provide you those commands. So those are the important commands. Okay, so you have to execute all the time while using Django frameworks and all. Let me go back to Visual Studio Code, and here you can see we have created the application folder as well. So inside that we have this many things. Inside that we are going to create the templates folder as well, and we are going to create some static folder as well, one by one. Okay, so first thing, let's start with coding. first thing what we need to do is we have created this application. We'll simply go to settings.py file and we'll install our application. So you can see installed apps we have, right? So inside that I have to create like this student. Okay, so I already started my GitHub Copilot, which is giving me suggestion student management system app. Okay, which is correct. So I'll take this suggestion. Okay, so I have added this. So this is the first thing we need to do. Student management system app. This name you have to put inside this installed app. Okay. Now try to run the Django project. Okay. Let's try to run the Django project now. Okay. Uh, but before that, Python manage manage.py make migrations, because you'll ask questions, right? Where is the database? So the database it not yet started, we are going to do that. So for that we have the command python manage.py make migrations. This is the third important command, guys, you need to execute. Okay, so I'm going to execute that. So okay, it is telling like no module named student management system app is found. So I think I'm not saved this. I have added this, that's fine, absolutely. And what I'll do is I'll check whether manage.py is available or not. Yes, python manage.py make migrations. Okay, so module not found, no module name, student management system app is not found. Okay, so I have to solve this. So how to solve this is, so I'll go to settings.py file, I'll check installed app student management system app, it is already installed. I'll do one thing. I'll execute the server first. Python manage.py run server. Okay, so again it is telling like it is not able to find the student management system app, this one. Okay, so how to resolve this? Okay, so to resolve this I have to go to settings.py and let me check whether the things are already there or not. Okay, installed apps we have provided, middleware, templates we have, database we have, and we have this manage.py file as well. We don't need to change anything, we already installed our application. Maybe I can remove this command, that is not the problem though. Installed apps. Okay, student management mgmt student mgmt system app, student mgmt apps. Okay, so actually the spelling is mistake. So the app name is student mgmt app. Let me do one thing, I'll copy this. Simply I'll copy this, and there is some spelling mistake. So this is the app name. Now we have installed successfully. Okay, now let's go back to, okay, you can see like Django server started running. I'll do one thing, I'll stop this server and I will execute the last command python manage manage.py make migrations. No change detected, which is absolutely fine. We are going to create the basic database. Okay, so this is the next command. uh okay, let's say 5. This is the fifth command, and then the next command is python manage.py migrate. Migrate means we have the database, all the tables. So we are giving migrate means we are telling to Django like, okay, migrate all the database. Okay, create a database with all the files available in Django system. So if I'll execute this, so you can see like, okay, okay, okay. So those are the default tables. I'll show you one by one. Okay, so this is the next command. Okay, let me go back to Visual Studio Code and let's see. Okay, so this file, you can see like this database is created, right? db.sqlite3. I cannot open this, I have to install a what I can say, I have to install a extension to view the SQLite database. I'll do that. SQLite, okay, explore and view. It has 3.2 million downloads. I will install this simply to view the SQLite database. Okay, so it is already installed, I hope. Let me go back. So I think this time I'll able to see the SQLite database. Is it installed or? install, right? Okay, great. Let me go back and let me view this. Okay, so I think it's not opening. I think I have to reload the launcher, or it's not, right? Let me install this as well. Let me install this as well. I think this is to explore the SQLite queries. Okay, so SQLite viewer is this one. So this I already installed. Now I think I can view the, yeah, now I can view this. Okay, so simply you will type SQLite, you will get this SQLite viewer, you will install this, and also I'll suggest you to install this as well because it will help you to execute the SQLite queries. Okay, simply I'll go to SQLite, and you can see like those are the tables which is default table. Okay, authentication, I told you, right? So Django provides the default authentication, so we have this auth group permission, auth group, auth user groups and all. So you don't need to worry about this. This is system generated and absolutely fine. Okay, Django will use those things to run your project. So I'll show you, like later we'll go in depth, but before that we'll execute the server now. To execute the server, python manage.py run server. Okay, so this is the command, python manage.py run server. Okay, so if I'll trigger this, you can see my application started running in this particular port. Before that, I will just make a comment of this command, python manage.py run server, and I'll simply go to this particular server. So you can see this server is started running, and this is the default thing Django provides, like installed work successfully, congratulations. Okay, okay, let me stop this video once. Okay, so in the next video we are going to start implementation of our student management system. So if you have any question or if you have any difficulties, please give a comment in the comment box. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. That will be a great motivation for me, and I am making videos for you. So if you have any suggestions, you can provide me in the comment as well, and I'll always be reachable. And I'm stopping this video over here. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.